Hey there, let's quickly talk about the agent mode in GitHub Copilot. It's super powerful and super cool feature built on top of the edit mode. This agent mode can do a lot of things on its own without any manual intervention. Once you know what it can do, you will be surprised. While the edit mode can write code, can fix bugs, can write pylons, pytest, whatever, agent mode can do all of this on its own without you needing to give explicit instructions. Let's quickly check how these both vary. In case of an edit mode, you have to give one by one instructions to the copilot. Hey, write code for me. Please fix the code. Please write unit test cases. Please fix linting issues and all of that. Yes, in the edit mode, all of this can be done, but still you have to do a lot of talking. You have to fix the code. You have to see if there is error and then give the copilot information of what the error is. Still a lot of work. The agent mode just fixes all of this problem. You just type one big prompt what you want to do and the copilot will automatically do everything. It will write your code, it will automatically execute, it will check on its own if there are issues and fix it for you. It can also do the same with pytest, piloting, all of them, and you can just sit, relax and watch it doing it. Now it's time for hands-on. Make sure you choose the agent mode from this drop-down you see. By default, you can use either the edit mode or the ask mode. But agent mode is something we are going to use today. Once you choose that, you can provide a detailed prompt of exactly what you want to do. Like we spoke, I'm going to provide one big prompt where I'm going to clearly communicate to the copilot what I want it to do. Like in our application, we want to create a Python calculator application. And we also want to make sure copilot is going to create all the test cases and verify it as well. In addition to it, we want it to run pylint checks, and if there are any code linting issues, we want Copilot to automatically fix that as well. That's exactly what I said. Now let us see what Copilot has to do. So first it is creating a plan and then it is asking me if I can install this Python environment extension. I say yes, go ahead. You can already see how the agent mode is starting to help. It is doing multiple steps on its own. Like it installed some libraries. It already created two py files for me. One is calculator, another is test calculator. I can review those changes and then once I click on keep, those changes will get saved. Now on the left hand side, Copilot is asking if it wants me to continue because it has already taken a lot of steps. I say yes. Now it is suggesting to run the pytest. Let us go ahead and try it out. See that the terminal was automatically opened and the pytests were automatically triggered as well. Good, all of the pytests passed. It is time for the pylint checks. The pylint checks were triggered, but there are some issues. Copilot was able to smartly recognize, understand the error from the terminal, and it is automatically suggesting that we have to install the missing library, which in our case is pylint. So as I click on continue, it is trying to install pylint. So once pylint is installed, it should be able to go ahead and execute the pylint checks again. So now it is time for that. Let us see how it works. So the pylint score in our case has come out to be 5.62 out of 10. The Copilot for some reason was not able to recognize it. It is re-triggering the pylint checks. And let us see how it goes. Yes, the score again is 5.62. This time, as you can see in the left side, Copilot recognizes that the score is 5.62. It is saying it is going to address these issues. As you see, the code fixes have already started. Now the changes are highlighted. You can accept those changes by clicking on the keep button. Accept changes in as many files as Copilot has suggested. Now click on continue. Copilot is rerunning the pylint checks to see what is the updated score. Wow, the score has increased from 5.6 to 7.5 now. Copilot understands that there is still scope to improve this. So let us see what is the next step Copilot is going to take. We are going to continue running these checks. Yes, the latest score now is 8.12.
And still Copilot is not happy. It says that it recognizes that there are more changes to be done and it is making those changes. Realize it, guys. I have not even touched my repository yet. I have not made any code change. All of this is happening automated by the agent. It is continuing to improve my code on my behalf. Let's see. Let's click on continue and see what is the improvement in the score. Now it is 9.06. It is really good. Personally, I am happy with the score. Copilot is not. It is still attempting for the best. If you want, you can stop this at this point of time, but let it run and see what it comes up with. It made more code changes. Okay, now the score is 9.69, even better. Works for most of the application. Copilot still not happy. It has pushed more changes. Let us see what's gonna happen now. Okay, it's still at 9.69. More code changes. It's okay. You are saving my time. Go ahead and do it. I'm gonna accept those changes and let us see how the pilot score improves. Okay, no further code changes at this point of time. We have accepted all the changes. Let us continue. The pilot is getting executed. Wow! Finally, the pilot score is 10 out of 10. Means perfect. Copilot has perfected my code for me. It has added all of the code commands. It has fixed all the pilot issues and my application is ready along with unit test cases. Wonderful. While we learned how the agent mode can be super helpful, how it can do a lot of things, I would also like to share my experience with this to you. Like I have seen many times the agent mode goes into a loop. It faces a problem, it tries to fix it, it creates another problem, it tries to fix it, and then it keeps going on. So it is very important that you still review the code what the agent is creating for you. Do not blindly depend or trust what Copilot is creating. There is a very high chance AI can make mistakes. Yes, it does save your time, but not 100%. You still need to use your coding abilities, your skills to review and make sure only the correct code goes into your application environment. So yes, it can make mistakes, but a little bit of help you do to the Copilot, this agent mode can make your life a lot more easier. Now that we spoke of agent mode, are you wondering how things worked in the non-agent mode? How we used to use Copilot earlier? Check out the linked video in the first comment to watch that.